Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified back again with another easy tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to actually delete your Disney Plus account. Now it's a very easy process, so let's get straight into it. The first thing that you want to do is open up your browser and log into your existing Disney Plus account. Now from there we go to the top right corner where your profile picture appears. Now we have three options: the edit profiles, the app settings and the account details. Now here we go to the account settings, simply press it, and as you can see we are in the account settings. Now from here we scroll all the way down till we find the settings right here, and as you can see the last option appears to be delete account. Now what you need to do before you can actually access this is actually cancel your subscription. Now how to cancel your subscription is very easy. You scroll up till you find the subscription method. Now you simply press Disney Plus monthly, you open it up, and as you can see here is the option to cancel your subscription. Now simply press cancel subscription and that should be it, and then the option to delete your account should become available. It's easy as that. Now if this tutorial has helped you in any kind of way, please leave a like and subscribe, it helps me out a lot. Thanks for watching.